Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, let's talk about something that no one really talks about, at least not honestly. You've heard of the wage gap, the gender pay gap, but have you heard of the orgasm gap? It's the silent space in many bedrooms where women are simply not finishing, and it's not just normal or okay. It's an issue of sexual equity, communication, and understanding what real intimacy means. In this video, we're breaking the silence. We'll explore why the orgasm gap exists, the biology and psychology behind it, what most people get wrong about female pleasure, and most importantly, how to fix it. Grab a tea, find a cozy spot, and let's talk real. Section 1, what is the orgasm gap? So, what exactly is the orgasm gap? In simple terms, it's the disparity in the frequency of orgasms between men and women, especially during heterosexual encounters. According to a landmark study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, 95% of heterosexual men said they almost always orgasm during sex, compared to only 65% of heterosexual women. That's a 30% gap. And that's not just numbers. That's unmet needs, frustrations, silent expectations, and guess what? In same-sex relationships between women, the orgasm rate shoots up significantly, which tells us it's not the bodies that are the problem, it's the approach. Section 2. Why does the orgasm gap exist? Let's break down the big reasons. 1. Cultural conditioning. From a young age, women are taught to perform rather than experience sex. It's often about male pleasure. Think about how sex is portrayed in movies. It's all climax for him, fade to black for her. 2. Lack of clitoral knowledge. The clitoris is often ignored. Even in sex ed, it's a footnote, if mentioned at all. But science tells us the clitoris is the primary organ for female sexual pleasure. In her book, Come As You Are, by Dr. Emily Nagoski, she explains how most women don't orgasm from penetration alone. It's external stimulation that gets them there. And yet many sexual encounters ignore this completely. 3. Mismatched timing. Biologically, men can climax in a few minutes. Women, it's a slower, richer buildup. When there's a rush to the finish line, women are often left behind. 4. Lack of communication. So many women don't feel comfortable speaking up about what they want in bed, and when they do, it's sometimes met with ego or dismissal. Let's pause and reflect for a second. How often do we feel guilty about asking for more time, more focus, or even more pleasure? Section 3. Busting myths. Let's crush some myths, shall we? Myth 1. Women just take longer. It's normal if they don't orgasm every time. Truth. Yes, timing varies. But that doesn't mean women shouldn't be reaching climax regularly. With the right attention, they can, and do. Myth 2. If she didn't orgasm, it means something's wrong with her. Truth. Nope. Most likely, she wasn't given the right type or amount of stimulation. Myth 3. It's unsexy to give instructions in bed. Truth. Communicating desires is hot. Partners want to please you when they know what to do. Let's stop faking it and start owning it. Section 4. How to fix it. Let's talk solutions because this is where change starts. 1. Learn your own body first. Ladies, explore yourself. Yes, solo play is self-love. When you know what feels good for you, it's easier to communicate that with a partner. 2. Normalize clitoral stimulation. Remember, penetration alone doesn't do it for most women. Incorporate more external stimulation during foreplay and intercourse. 3. Make sex a team sport. Talk before, during, after. Ask each other, what did you enjoy? What would you like more of? This isn't a performance. It's a connection. 4. Slow it down. Don't treat sex like a checklist. Build up arousal with intimacy, touch, anticipation. That's where deeper pleasure lies. 5. Educate your partner. If you're with a man, help him understand that your pleasure is not just about doing it right, but about tuning in to what makes you feel good. Section 5. Closing thoughts. Let's wrap this up. The orgasm gap isn't about blaming anyone. It's about shifting a culture that has ignored female pleasure for too long. It's about empowering women to say, my pleasure matters too. And it's about helping partners become better lovers through empathy, curiosity, and connection. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe. We talk about the real things here, without shame, without filters. Let us know in the comments, What did you learn? What surprised you? And what do you wish more people knew about sex? See you in the next video. Bye!